It all started when a bunch of us got together for a one-off music jam session. We all love rock music, and it was really hard to find people to play rock music with.
And the one thing that was common was our passion towards, rock music from late 60s, early 80s, And that's how 3dB came into being.
Musically, we try to push the envelope. We try to kind of challenge our audience to learn and listen to new kinds of music. For instance, we'll go and play in a bar in San Francisco that has absolutely no Indians, and we'll end up playing Indian fusion rock.
So it has actually been a lot of fun being a part of 3dB. We all have very busy lives, but every other weekend or every third weekend we get together and we rock out and we jam and we have a good time.
Well, so actually 3dB, it's a very geeky reference. It's just a reference to the sound level. 3dB increases, double the sound. So, well, we are a loud band, so we did want to definitely use the word decibel somewhere. I guess this is a name. I guess I don't know if I suggested it or Anu suggested it. So one of us suggested it, and all of us are like, yeah, this is probably what we are.
Okay. Okay.